Hi food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing how to make a crispy juicy yam burger with no meat, crunchy inside and crunchy outside. Let's just start. Here are the simple ingredients you need for today's recipe. Start by boiling your yam until soft and smooth. Add in salt for that natural sweetness. 15 minutes later the yam is ready. Don't overcook the yam. In a neat bowl, we crack in 2 eggs. Chop onions, pepper, seasoning cube, and mix everything together. That's for our egg mixture. Set that aside. In a separate bowl, sieve in a cup of flour. Toast your boiled yam inside the flour and the egg mixture, just the way you are seeing now. Fry on a medium heat until both sides are golden brown and crispy. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification for more tasty recipes every week. Look at that color, absolutely perfect. And our juicy crispy burger is ready. Time to build our yam burger. Add crispy yam, lettuce, juicy tomato slice, cucumber, crown it with crispy burger. Tell me if this doesn't look better than beef. And there you have it, your crispy yam burger. No meat, no stress, all flavor. It's crunchy, soft and boasting with goodness. Try it and thank me later.